How to write script for YouTube video in ChatGPT. So first, you want to give ChatGPT a persona. So I've told ChatGPT that you are my YouTube video scriptwriter, okay? And then I'm giving it more instructions. I'm letting it know that I'm going to give it a title. And based on this title, I wanted to first provide an outline of a script for my YouTube video, and I've told it how long it will most likely be. Now, why am I telling it to give me an outline? If you just ask it to write a script, just like this, without doing an outline first, it'll go and do its own thing. Sometimes it's going to be subpar or even too short. Okay? Now, let me give the title. The title is The Power of Compounding. That's a good title. We'll do that. And now I'll wait for ChatGPT to return me a outline. All right, so here is what ChatGPT gave me for the outline. And I think it's pretty good. It has given me also timestamps of what it would look like. Now, I'm telling ChatGPT to start writing the script one part at a time. Okay, this is very important. So if there's any edits that need to be made, you can go ahead and go back and forth with ChatGPT. And if you feel one part is short, you can go ahead and ask it to lengthen it, okay? And I'm also telling it to make it engaging to keep the audience retention. This is very important. You don't want it to sound like a robotic script. You want it to sound like someone, an actual human wrote this, right? Don't use overcomplicated language. We're not here writing an essay. Okay, this is a video script, okay? And I wanted to narrate it like they're explaining something to a friend, okay? Not like I'm reading an essay or, a research paper. But we don't want it to refer to the viewer as a friend, So I'm going to go ahead and enter this prompt, and let's see what ChatGPT will give us. All right, as you can see, it is really good already. So here we go. Imagine this. You set aside $100 today. Over time, that small amount starts growing. Perfect. I like this. All right, now I can ask it to do the next part. Do the next part. And it will go ahead and do each part. You just prompt it to do more and more parts. And then soon you will have the whole video. It's really that easy and simple. Good luck, guys.